Welcome to my gigs. This is Sohanur Rahman. I'm a professional virtual assistant. I have completed a special course on office management, graphics design, video editing from the Department of Social Services, Bangladesh. I have acquired a special skill on data entry, copy paste, PDF to Word or PDF to Excel, data conversation, all-time work in email management, all-type work on social media management, calendar management, Google Spreadsheets, internet research, administrative tasks, and also have creative skill in graphics design, logo design, presentation design, video editing, and other office management or business management tasks. I will grant you 100% good quality with unlimited revision, honesty and dedication. I will able to complete your work on time successfully, inshallah. You can select me or hire me a virtual assistant on Fiverr, exclusively on fiverr.com.